Sammy Gyemfi was so hold the gold. Would it be too genchima? No, Sammy Gyemfi in the board, no. Enya approvia. Sa you be co jail for 10 years. For me co jail. Sammy Gyemfi, fam come him. If some chrono na mobile man for chrono and a board in the bebo man for us. It's your buyer what boss will be fighting Galamsey. Nothing was set gold board. Now gold board ne kwako to gold. Aba bra me no me no said 3 tons of gold per week, 12 tons per month. And you're feasible. Say Galamsey and Kosua. Precisely. Sammy Gyemfi was 400 million a year Ghana city. And they go to gold every month. Me so be ko jail because of a boka.
Now on social media, it seems like we're building records between Sammy Gyemfi, IMF, and African Gold Board. A recent trend on all social media platforms because of 1.7 billion and much as a car, I better Gold Board for so. Sammy Gyemfi, I believe commercial, and your man or more critics are a canon. And as I say, a canon, your man or more, say, canon, a Bank of Ghana for an abo or mocha. But everything being equal, there's a video trend on social media, free. Okatakyie'S a FIFA camp. But now that video no looks like you're very much aware of in Sammy ABC and I say a young commission or say and I'm sure mama for ABU and come say a young people now finding a way of finding a fault on Sammy Gyemfi. No, 1.7 billion and not be young credit. A phenomenal case campaign all year Sammy Gyemfi no na if she makes some no. If I say a video by a message say over drop comment. Nothing. What's the score on page? You don't need the money. So, some me up with the answer. I will submit my campaign because that's the only way you do have a responding to your video. See, when my own bora, a free fast studio, me and ten comedy will be here. A be who say a young come say, I will share to her.
In any government, a be free a bemu. One way as Sammy Gyemfi ko jail. Says Sammy Gyemfi man who kwai ma the old politicians in you suno. To set their own agenda. Mr. Sammy Gyemfi ko jail se be ba for causing financial loss to the state. And make sure the here. Obi. Mr. Sammy Gyemfi man who kwai. Emma ye di sadie we a hye ne mene. Na otwa so do ye na. Emre bi beba Sammy Gyemfi ko to jail. Precisely so. The board in because they will cause financial loss to the state and not cause a financial loss to the state. And yes, I'm the board a very dangerous precedent and say it will be the greatest scam of all time in this country. So I'm the board. So almost one more passing code a year bill. Is the president in the Savage. Now, question me, Busa Kofi. And you didn't Sammy Gyemfi. How your communications in the just ye to a baby. First thing is what Dimika question baby ocean. No money a bray. So good board on the you best set it. Good board, you best set it. Our brother, I'm promise he levy. 3 months in here. Omunya repealing. Our brother Joma campaign or promises say LI 2646 they could for 2462 they could for the demand for focus go to Galamsey or promising man for so be repealing or buy on some people once it's Mumusa said ya babechero Mrs. Gold Board way is the biggest scam of all time and I know million angel for Omkoka say yes gold board no oh the gold abeko jila yes o man for so man so apologize our brother you read the free them section 69 of the Gold Board bill, which will be passed into act when the president accent a year is year. Sammy Gyemfi was so hold the gold. Would it be too genchima? No, Sammy Gyemfi in the board, no. Enya approvia. Sa you be ko jail for 10 years. Now, angel for can be yesterday or my retracting. What is there to retract? When it's clear in the law, it's within the law. A law is within the I've angel for retracting Yanni. But the monk was retracting. Yan wa haye. Neither than me do make us all retracting. For me ko jail. Sammy Gyemfi fam come him. If some so chrono na mobile man for chrono and a board in the bebo man for us. Na mo dey sisi authoritarian law eba. And then Sammy Gyemfi men kan kire say wo no be wo do gold kura be necklace. Wo hia permission from one Sammy Gyemfi. You read the law. Or see nobody can use a gold to do necklace without a permission. What yare mun ko read the law na moto na mo kika nsem wo go da wa wo dey kwa kwa necklace Sammy Gyemfi say wo hia permission free one no ya ko read the law if I am lying no. Obi. Sammy Gyemfi in the board. Gold board. Almost men can't say. So what the case you crab ba. Say be a tribunal. Now only military mindset, no cool mindset who are instead of saying court, almost almost set gold board tribunal. No court. Instead say be a court no. Almost set a special tribunal. A tribunal never better cases in the soul. Now man kasa set to a mobile court and they will become their own judges in their own court. Nanim was it Oko court nas Oko tribunal no na tribunal ni make decision obetimi appeal dem mu appeal on point of law nko na betimi appeal no point of fact ye be chire mo matter ase Sammy Gyemfi obi ye busa Sammy Gyemfi say per dem ran no dia ban gold board bill I no ma pass e ba be act no or say a small scale mining gold no ba beto enya sa nya do work no if it's a Newmont Anglo Gold precious mining ni ade omo nton wo mo nyoma ma Sammy Gyemfi dek utie me omo nton ma Sammy Gyemfi ana Sammy Gyemfi so beto small scale for na ye busi ho question say kuro we mu small scale miners ni do say me no me nyina nim see etimi issue license ma obi say small scale mining but in effect anya small scale mining ja mi amafa de amafa show no nya ye show ade top ma ye fa nipa na ye me betumi top from so amefa munyai Kobi small scale mining no kroma do say out of the several hundreds of a year license a year issue ama small scale omumu do say na ye omu follow the compliance in the moment me no me no nyina nim say issue license small scale in actual fact a galamsey omo ye galamsey eti abanya wa ba so obe fight galamsey na afi was set gold board na gold board ne kwa to gold aba bra me no me no nyina nim say 3 tons of gold per week 12 tons per month and you feasible say galamsey ankoso a Sammy Gyemfi so waje 400 million a year Ghana cedi and they go to gold every month amaye me so obe ko jail because obe boka and you be heard the idea Kovi Sammy Gyemfi say omo ko pass gold bill e dia na mo pre omo ye dia krono benya afi ye hwani yi ade omo ye ne say precious mining ton maye Anglo Gold in ton maye ene ayi e kan say ayi wo mo maka ne ton maye de Newmont ton maye and ye be shemra ntre ni kutupa indirectly so mo nko tu galamsey no na mo ye de be shemra nim say ye fande wo mo et ye nko ne nko hwemra no fa me ko section 25 of the law section 25 of the law na ye nhwe do ma twero ho section 25 no zumi akwa wekura so na adwene ya ye awrade na Sammy Gyemfi say the gold board no it will earmark funding Daniel ya wo de to so a fa to so na enlarge no why wadarma was it the board of directors shall each year earmark funds for the gold board to provide support for small scale miners. But they just small scale miners be any crew we kakra bi pe and a compliance with the law. O mama kwaje a small scale a license nyina galamsey no mutu. Galamsey was it so okaso be earmark funding at the small scale miners. Not just what the a funding ne be ma NDC party aparachiks. And I mean no kasei. NDC fon kwa ne gungure mutu galamsey and then according to Erastus Ayasare Donko Western North Regional Minister etimi kokko stop it soldier for almost stop galamsey yes so mo sore ho so NDC for atiachisi so Sammy Gyemfi kotro hye say the board of directors each year will earmark funds to gold board to provide support for small scale miners. The earmark funds shall be used to provide concessional funds and number of funds concessional funds usually to galamsey grants and guarantees to a licensed small scale miners. Small scale miners do say no krom ha. Omo follow the rules. Omo follow the procedures. Omo follow the compliance. It way the all can nyina say ye be ye market ye discover for her. Ye dey come NDC for mo ye galamsey. If say Sammy Gyemfi say every week omo better 3 tons of gold enye possible. Say galamsey for na nto aso a enye possible. Now Newmont ko how many tons a week? It is a see fight galamsey. In one breath, Sammy Gyemfi the board we or money your chest or money your man can say on best fight galamsey. And then Tina John Mahama promises say Oba repeal LI 2462. Makwama enter into a year the forest. After the Oba and a Jumana Sem. As we shall amend it. So what did John Mahamadi at your own peril? John Mama knew Bia or cancer majidi indecisiveness, indecision. It says, my first coup d'etat. President John Mama Dikoshi. So one of the see any indecisive or it will catch a man for us to be repealing LI 2462. And nobody else we shall amend it. What do you do? It's all repealing. No man for it me and call a forester. Gold board not the no more. Almost sanka. Some of you, one man for. Kofi, afe where the CTFM4, I say acting managing director of PMMC says that the government will not ban small scale mining. It is Wemeboa is training and logistics. Mabua brofo nyina je say yema galamse na koso. Yema galamse na koso. Omo di nkomo bi tieni o. Omo say MPP for buy no. Omo ma asante for e de wuram. Ekoye galamse ye ntisika ko di MPP for. So they don't mind. Now I cut my meals a better baby. Also shocking, truly disappointing. You can't cut my meals, Professor Mills, a brother, and Wabetro, some major affairs CTFM for reporting, and was Fabra American was truly shocking because this is not what we campaign to the people. So we will not ban a small scale mining. Sammy Gyemfi, Kofi, Sammy Gyemfi so a tonga and a full good. Every week be a better 3 tons, so a month or better a year 12 tons. Me not denying himself. World market price of gold is determined by world markets. And yet you determine. It is a Sammy Gyemfi costs 3 tons, 12 tons a month. Now you share the dollar rate in here. Any gold market is a total gold route to go. It means my from now you must show. Among the gold you get him. It is a Sammy Gyemfi you see a sika. A koto gold in New Year. Under no circumstance, and obet me are predicted the prices of gold on the world market. It's a boy a cat. Sammy Gyemfi. More fire. But where avenue? So we mobile the mama omun crop when you no gold no. Kofi uye no free wa. Before anybody can go and sell gold on the world market, a world market institutions be brave. Say London bullion market a year. A friend say. Any maminya. London Bullion Market Association, Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, World Gold Council, Responsible Jewel Council, share the certification of the gold before they will allow you to come and sell your gold on the world market. Now, I'm the dear friend traceability report, and I'm so one person you use the mining of gold to destroy our forest, to destroy our river bodies. It is a cotton a gold will a mine Joshua or mobile share traceability. Gold no crowd. Here and saying, we are then and there's some illegal miners gold no better. You will send us walk on way. It's a traceability report, no. So I want trace gold in us free a small scale mining. I want talk. What do you mean? A Jubakaya, time years you acquire oil for gold, no. O man to me amfa ye gold na ye to free a small scale miners one ankwa man just direct. Ye compare intermediary wo a Dubai. And one na na gi gold no. No we are compare oil dia brain. Chenio, it is Sammy Gyemfi say, or budget small scale miners, in effect, a galamsey, no the aquacoton, or but one way. If the traceability report will show that these gold were acquired through a illegal means, and they won't buy. World Market, a London Bullion Market Association, Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, World Gold Council, any Responsible Jewel Council, they will not buy. It will say Sammy Gyemfi, or cotton gold no way, but Oboa, or more gold, no more the private jet as sa, or Mabe Gina Tarmac and so, and yes, and what to wash your no accountability. When I make a chill.
If we say when you echo on social media, and I'm 1.7 billion, I just say I am a doses can wash to many and you're surprised because it seems like a bang they have a way of Mofaso Eboka, and I said they have a way of moving this 30 sicanas or maybe we are sika every time for when you come on for AB on social media. Message I was going to shower piano over the form of the comment section. No one house if I responded to your video. Makra.